There is a new strain of virus spreading around the world, and now the virus has spread internationally. The WHO has released a statement that we are going into a COVID-19 pandemic.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a year since the world went into lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Even until now, many countries are still struggling to control the outbreak. New variants of the virus are emerging and many countries are going into lockdown again and again. Over the past year, we all got to know and experience the importance of health. In my previous video, I shared about the immune system and its functions. So, if you haven't watched it, be sure to check it out. So, with the COVID-19, there are no cure yet. This year, vaccination had just started to roll out. And even with vaccination, the number of infections is not slowing down. The mutation of the virus is still much faster and more aggressive than the vaccination.
So how can we take care of ourselves then? Can we prevent ourselves from getting infected?
Well, the answer is yes. There are actually two ways of prevention. The first one is external prevention. That is to follow the SOP, or Standard Operating Procedure, guided by the WHO and the government of your countries. The common SOPs are wearing masks, physical distancing, and to make sure that our hands are always clean. These are the precautions that we can take to prevent ourselves and our family from getting infected. The second way of prevention is by having a strong immune system. As of now, only our immune system is able to help us to fight off the virus if we ever get infected. I am sure many of you have heard of different approaches to boost our immune system, from vitamins to herbs, and even some injected immune booster to their body. Well, today, let me share with you how our body actually kills the virus and what are the food that can help us to boost our immune system. First, COVID-19 is a virus and not a bacteria. Therefore, with antibiotics, it will not kill the virus because antibiotics is effective for bacterial infections only.
Well, so how does our body fight off the viruses?
Okay, so first step. A macrophage grabs and engulfs an invading virus using its numerous tentacles. This cleansing role makes the macrophage almost like the garbage man of our body. Second step, the macrophage signals other immune cells to the battlefield by displaying pieces of the digested virus, which is also known as antigens, on its surface. Now, a helper T cell responds to this call for help and binds to the macrophage. Interleukin, which is a tumor necrosis factor, and interferon are immune chemicals produced during the helper T cell and macrophage union. Other immune cells now multiply thanks to the presence of these immune chemicals. And during the multiplication of B cells, antibodies are produced. Killer T cells will drill holes into virus or infected cells. The virus is now more easily overwhelmed. Antibodies or immunoglobulins lock onto the virus and signal complements to destroy the viruses and macrophages to engulf them. And lastly, the infection is brought under control. Suppressor T cells turn off activated immune cells, remembering the characteristic of the virus. This information is stored so that the immune system can respond more quickly to and defeat the same virus strain should it ever attack again. Such a memory mechanism is also employed when vaccines are injected into our body. Now that we know how our body fights against foreign invaders like the virus, let's get to know what kind of nutrients our body actually needs to be able to function optimally. In the modern world, many diseases are known to be rich man disease. This means that we are never lacking on basic nutrients like minerals, protein, iron, or vitamins. Many may not be aware that actually we are lacking on the three major nutrients that are needed by our body cells.
So, what are the three major nutrients?
Well, they are phytochemicals, antioxidants, and polysaccharides. First, let's take a look what is phytochemicals. Plants evolve continuously to ensure survival and longevity in an ever-changing environment. Protective nutrients known as phytochemicals aid in the plant's resistance against sunlight and help to ensure its survival. There are actually a wide variety of phytochemicals, and every plant has a unique set of them. Common classes of phytochemicals include indoles, isothiocyanates, flavonoids, and isoflavones. Let's take a look at each of them. Indoles exist in many different plant foods such as cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, mustard greens, kale, and turnips. Indole 3-carbinol aids in breaking down a cancer-causing estrogen precursor. This breakdown results in a harmless form of estrogen, thereby reducing the risk of breast cancer. Isothiocyanates can be divided into two types, PEITC and sulforaphane. Commonly found in cabbages and turnips, PEITC helps to suppress the generation of cancerous cells in the lungs and prevent the binding of carcinogens to DNA. Sulforaphane is found in broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. It helps to remove carcinogens from cells before they can inflict any damage. Now let's take a look at flavonoids. Flavonoids exist in onions, sweet potatoes, citrus fruits, and berries. They protect against free radicals, inhibit carcinogen hormones from attacking our normal cells, and it also inhibits enzymes responsible for cancer cell metastasis. Another class of phytochemicals is isoflavones. Isoflavones are found in soybeans and it includes genistein, daidzein, and glycine. These phytochemicals provide great resistance to diseases. They help reduce serum cholesterol, minimize incidence of the coronary heart disease, and lower the risk of osteoporosis in females. Phytochemicals are the key to health and longevity. Now, let's take a look at the second major nutrient needed by our body cell. Antioxidants are substances that inhibit the activity of free radicals. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules produced by cigarette smoke, exposure to toxic chemicals, and excessive sun exposure, as well as our own body's metabolism. These molecules are highly unstable and contribute to mutation of membranes, proteins, and DNA, causing cancer and other chronic diseases. Antioxidants acquired from plants have been shown to destroy free radicals, helping to protect against oxidative damage caused by these dangerous molecules. Grapeseed, cactus fruit, ginseng fruit, rose, ashitaba, kumazasa, acelera cherry, and many other plants are rich in antioxidants. Rather than taking supplements, experts recommend the consumption of whole plant foods as a more effective means of acquiring antioxidants. Last but not least, the third nutrient, polysaccharides. So polysaccharides are long chains of molecules found frequently in certain mushroom species. Research has shown that polysaccharides found within these mushrooms can activate immune cells and inhibit tumor growth. Polysaccharides also help balance the immune system, thereby enabling the immune system to destroy existing cancer cells and viruses. Mushrooms rich in polysaccharides are also used as antiviral drugs. Here is a fun fact. Since 1960, scientists have known about the anti-cancer effect of polysaccharides. Different polysaccharides have different functions, each containing unique effects and benefits for different types of cancer. The amount of polysaccharide used is important as only an appropriate dose elicits the best response from our body. Shiitake mushroom, reishi mushroom, maitake mushroom, yunzi mushroom, Agaricus blazei muriel or ABM mushroom are rich in polysaccharides. Polysaccharides aid in increasing the secretion of interleukin and interferon, preventing the body from entering different phases of cancer formation. Additionally, polysaccharides also enhance cell-mediated immunity to destroy existing cancer cells and viruses. This is the end of today's video. I hope that this video is beneficial and informative for all of you out there. If you haven't watched the immune system video, do check it out to get a better understanding of our immune system. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share out this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!